Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket strung is a highly popular choice among recreational and intermediate players, known for its lightweight feel, power, and comfort. Constructed using titanium and graphite fiber technology, the racket offers an excellent blend of durability and strength without adding unnecessary weight. It features an oversized 115 square in head, providing a large sweet spot that's forgiving on off-center hits, making it ideal for players seeking more power with less effort. The T.S6 weighs approximately 252 grams, 8.9 ounces, unstrung, which is much lighter than traditional rackets, reducing arm strain during long matches. It has a 27.75-inch extended length, giving players extra reach and leverage on serves. The balance is head-heavy, which enhances power and swing momentum, especially helpful for those with shorter or slower swings. Factory strung, the racket comes ready to play out of the box, and is typically strung at mid-tension with synthetic gut strings, offering a balance between control and power. The 16x19 string pattern promotes spin potential, and the grip is comfortable for most hand sizes. This racket is best suited for beginner to intermediate players who want a lightweight frame with ample power and forgiveness. Due to its materials and design, the T.S6 also appeals to senior players or those recovering from injury. Authentic Head T.S6 rackets should be purchased from authorized dealers to ensure you receive the original product with full quality and support from Head. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex Ezone 107th Gen is a high-performance tennis racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a blend of power, comfort, and control. Launched as part of Yonex's 2022 lineup, the 7th-generation Ezone maintains its reputation as a versatile, all-court weapon with several updates to enhance feel and playability. Weighing 300 g, unstrung, with a 100 square in head size, the Ezone 100 offers a forgiving sweet spot and excellent maneuverability. It features a 16x19 string pattern that supports topspin generation and control. The racket's beam width, 23.8/26.5/22.5 mm, and balance, 320 mm, deliver a stable yet explosive response on contact. Yonex integrates its unique isometric head shape, enlarging the sweet spot for more consistent off-center hits. The 7th Gen model introduces 2G NAM speed graphite for enhanced frame flex and ball pocketing, improving comfort and feel. Additionally, arrow-shaped design and oval-pressed shaft (OPS) technology contribute to better control and vibration dampening. Ideal for aggressive baseline players and all-court competitors, the Ezone 100 delivers powerful ground strokes, reliable serves, and responsive volleys. Despite its power, it maintains a solid connection to the ball and doesn't sacrifice touch. Trusted by professional players like Nick Kyrgios and Naomi Osaka, the Yonex Ezone 100 is a premium choice for serious players who want explosive power with refined feel and stability. When purchasing, ensure the racket is genuine by buying from authorized Yonex dealers to avoid counterfeit products. Look for official branding, serial numbers, and product packaging for authenticity. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for serious players who value control, feel, and precision. The version 9 V9 builds upon the legacy of the Blade series, incorporating Wilson's stable feel technology, which enhances frame stability and connected-to-the-ball sensations. This upgrade benefits aggressive baseliners who rely on precise shot placement and confident swings. With a 16x19 string pattern, the Blade 98 V9 provides excellent spin potential without sacrificing control. It features a 98 square inch head size, ensuring a balanced sweet spot for responsive play, and a 305G, 10.8 ounces, unstrung weight, offering solid maneuverability and plowthrough. The racket has a standard 27-inch length and a thin 21mm beam, which contribute to its classic, control-oriented feel. The racket's matte emerald green finish gives it a premium and modern aesthetic, while the design integrates Wilson's Direct Connect carbon handle technology, fusing the butt cap directly to the carbon fiber for enhanced torsional stability and improved feedback. Available in grip sizes 1 to 4, this unstrung version allows players to customize their string setup according to their playing style. Whether you're a competitive player or a performance-focused enthusiast, the Blade 98 V9 offers a perfect mix of feel, stability, and responsiveness. This is an original Wilson product, ensuring authentic quality and performance as intended by the brand, trusted by professionals including Stefanos Tsitsipas and others on the ATP and WTA tours. Number 4. Best Tennis Racket for Power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a powerful, modern frame designed for intermediate to advanced players who seek a combination of explosive power, spin, and stability. Weighing 300 grams, unstrung, it offers a solid feel and easy maneuverability for aggressive baseline play. The racket features a 100 square inch head size and a 16 by 19 string pattern, ideal for generating topspin and consistent depth. Solinco incorporates its patented Power Flex Zone technology, which adds dynamic flex at the 5 and 7 o'clock positions of the frame. This improves ball pocketing and control without sacrificing power. The frame's 40T carbon fiber construction enhances strength, stability, and vibration dampening, providing a clean, comfortable feel on impact. The Blackout 300 is designed for versatility, strong on ground strokes, stable at net, and effective on serves. Players can expect a powerful response with enough control to stay aggressive. The racket is forgiving on off-center shots, and its open string pattern helps grip the ball for added spin. Visually, the Blackout 300 has a sleek matte black finish with minimal branding, appealing to players who prefer a clean, professional look. It's also compatible with Solinco's weight control module, allowing customization of weight and balance. In summary, the Solinco Blackout 300 is an excellent choice for players who want power with stability and spin. It's a modern all-court weapon that performs well in competitive settings without compromising feel or control. Number 5. Best Tennis Racket for Control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is a premium racket designed for advanced players who prioritize control, precision, and feel. Part of the iconic Pro Staff line, the V14 combines Wilson's heritage design elements with modern performance technologies. It features a 97 square inch head size, offering a smaller sweet spot for skilled players who can consistently hit the center. The weight, approximate 315G unstrung, delivers excellent plowthrough and stability, while the 16 by 19 string pattern provides a blend of spin potential and control. The racket uses braided graphite plus basalt construction for enhanced feel and responsiveness, along with paradigm bending technology that improves the flex in the hoop and shaft for better control without sacrificing power. The ergonomic but cap and modern design updates give it a sleek, pro-level look and feel. Ideal for aggressive players with full, fast swings, the Pro Staff 97 V14 rewards good technique with pinpoint accuracy. It's unstrung, giving players the flexibility to choose their preferred string type and tension. When buying, ensure authenticity by purchasing from authorized retailers. Original products will have Wilson branding, serial numbers, and come in secure, branded packaging. In summary, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a control-oriented racket best suited for experienced players. It blends classic feel with modern innovation, making it a top choice for those who value precision and heritage in their game.